producing industry, optimal processes are fundamental. The planning and realization of facilities are often treated independently. At the Plan B group, we embark on a new path. We are experts for assembly technology. We have a proven track record in both the planning and implementation phases of projects, which is unique at the market. We work in close harmony with our customers and mutually develop projects, so we are rather perceived as team members, not as external consultants. From consulting to developing ideas, planning of processes and equipment, project management and realization, we always think big and take every detail into consideration. Precision applies to many areas. Processes must mesh. The control system must be compatible with different types of machines. Data technology must be complementary. So there are many pieces of a puzzle that need to gear into each other. Only then the whole system will function successfully. It is essential for us to consider our customers' needs and tailor a solution that suits their requirements. We collaborate with many types of industries, whether it is information technology or control engineering, working with draftsmen from the mechanical department. It affects the production processes of our customers. Employees at the production line need to be integrated. All these branches have an impact on the assembly unit, and only when everyone is satisfied we will have found a good solution. We are locally based in Bremen and are available globally. Our team of highly trained engineers, project managers or technicians provide international support. The customer has to be inspired by his experiences working with us. In addition to that, we need innovative approaches to ensure that we are one step ahead of our customers' needs of tomorrow.